In this video, I'll show you how to patch RightFax to the latest version. So what we have here is a RightFax server. You can see all the services are up and running, and the version is 21.2 base version. So what you're going to do is stop all the services. So you can just right-click any service and then select Stop All Services, and it will stop. So once all those services are stopped, except for the licensing service, that will always stay on. All you have to do is run the update installer. I typically run it as administrator. And before you do this, just make sure you have a backup of the database and the server itself, so that if you run into any issues, you can revert back at any time. But the patching is a very quick change. It's a very quick update. So you don't really need a lot of time compared to the install of RightFax itself. So we'll just run through the process, and once it's done, then we'll proceed. Okay, here we go. And it says, welcome to the RightFax update wizard. So I'm going to hit start. And I have backed up my RightFax installation. I created a snapshot of the server. So I'll go next. It's going to ask me to access the database. You can select lookup to make sure that it actually opens up the database successfully. I'm going to use my RightFax database because that's what it's selected. And all RightFax services have been manually shut down. So I'm going to hit next. And it's going to prompt me to close the Enterprise Fax Manager. So I'll do that. And then I'll hit next. I won't be skipping any of this. I'll just keep it running so that you guys can see exactly the step-by-step process, like for like, and all of the changes that are happening, so that you can follow along. That way, if there's anything that you missed, I won't have it skipped on the video. One quick note that I want to mention is that when RightFax is done doing its patch, I'm going to go ahead and restart the server just to make sure that everything is good. So yeah, it says the necessary changes have been successfully applied. All I'm going to do is close, and I'm going to restart the server. And I'm just going to log in. And you're going to launch Enterprise Fax Manager. Then you can see that the version is 1688, which is the latest version. Oops. And then you could go to the services. Everything is up and running. And it's very simple to do that process. So if you need to patch up your environment, this is the steps to do so. And if you found that helpful, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe. Peace.